Crypto.com versus Bybit, which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right crypto exchange can transform how you trade and manage assets without unnecessary fees or complexity. We'll explore Crypto.com and Bybit to help you decide. Crypto.com and Bybit to help you decide. Com and Bybit are two popular crypto exchanges with distinct focuses. Crypto.com offers a broad platform including trading, payments, and a crypto card, while Bybit specializes in derivatives trading with advanced leverage options. The core difference lies in their target users and product scope. Crypto.com is a comprehensive cryptocurrency platform offering spot trading, a user-friendly app, crypto-backed debit cards, and DeFi services. It works by providing an all-in-one ecosystem where users can buy, sell, stake, and spend cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Its strengths include a wide range of supported coins, competitive fees, and integrated financial products like crypto credit and earn programs. Additionally, Crypto.com's Visa card allows users to spend crypto in everyday life, bridging traditional finance and digital assets. However, the platform can be overwhelming for beginners due to its many features, and occasional customer service delays have been reported. Ideal users are retail investors seeking an all-rounder platform that combines trading with everyday crypto usability and financial services. Bybit is a crypto exchange focused primarily on derivatives trading, offering futures and perpetual contracts with high leverage options up to 100x. It operates with a robust matching engine designed for speed and reliability, catering to active traders and professionals. Bybit's platform includes spot trading but excels in advanced order types, risk management tools, and a clean interface optimized for trading performance. Strengths include deep liquidity, competitive trading fees, and a strong emphasis on security. Limitations are fewer options for fiat on-ramps and less focus on crypto payments or financial products outside trading. Bybit is ideal for experienced traders looking for advanced leverage, margin trading, and sophisticated tools to capitalize on market volatility. Crypto.com and Bybit serve different needs. Crypto.com is a full-service crypto platform perfect for users wanting to combine trading with crypto spending, staking, and DeFi features. It shines in accessibility and ecosystem breadth, but can be complex for beginners. Bybit, on the other hand, is tailored for active derivatives traders seeking high leverage and advanced order types with fast execution. It lacks the broader financial services Crypto.com offers but delivers superior trading tools and liquidity. For example, a casual investor looking to buy and use crypto daily would benefit from Crypto.com's ecosystem. Meanwhile, a professional trader aiming to profit from futures markets would prefer Bybit's focused trading environment. The trade-off is between versatility and specialized trading capabilities. Choose Crypto.com if you want an all-in-one crypto platform combining trading, spending, and financial products, ideal for retail investors and everyday users. Opt for Bybit if your priority is advanced derivatives trading with high leverage and professional tools. It's the best choice for experienced traders focused on maximizing market opportunities. Both platforms excel in their domains, so pick based on your trading style and needs.